Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a G87 M2. We're going to be mounting an Alpha N carbon fiber wing that's been painted to match. First steps, we'll mock the wing up, get ready to drill some holes, and which is going to be the most pressure point. Then we'll go from there. This car has been stealth PPF wrapped, so after we get our holes marked and drilled, we'll run this over, have it wrapped real quick, and then bolt the thing back up and get it finished. Yeah, just to get a rough idea. I'll throw a piece of tape on it and then we'll set that up there. We will use the pilot holes in the base as a guide after we get it, 100% where we want it. I'll drill a pilot hole, then we'll come through the backside with the trunk open to widen that out. And then it will use bolts from the inside of the deck lid. We'll go all the way through both pieces, and this one's threaded. So it'll bolt in there and then sandwich it all together. Then we'll put, double side tape on it and stuff for just extra and weatherproof. I think it's cool. I think it matches the body style of the car. I like that this is color matched instead of full carbon on both pieces. It came in like a white gel coat instead of, I think you can order them both ways, but I like this color match to the car. Pull it roughly and then I'll get a dial caliper and see where we're at side to side. Because if I pull it too far, it's flush here.
And then it goes down right out.
Mm-hmm. Aero, are you gonna fix it? Where are you going? I need help. What's gonna jack me up? This one's fine. It's straight. This one's not. See how they're at two different angles? So this one's flat, super easy. That one is slightly at an angle, so that's gonna be a little interesting for sure.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, not the good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the top, proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put it
so we're gonna try something. We have a very small margin for anything on this car, but there is a second layer in between these two. So instead of just drilling a straight drill bit all the way through for the bolt size, I'm going to attempt to Dremel this inner layer, or technically outer layer, so that the bolt head will clear it, but we'll still have enough room to sandwich it on the other layer. So we'll see if this is going to work. Test fitting.
That looks better than the one in the video.
I like it better than
I
a
agree.
big old washer, just
hanging. Yeah.
and it's still flush.
That's all the way in there, right?
I mean, I can go some more. I just
yeah.
didn't want to,
No, it's good.
super tighten the shit out of it.
I agree with you. That's fine.
Well, I'll do that to get both of these front holes 100%, and then I'll pull it back apart, pop the rear hole.
you get big box, you get yachts, swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it.
Make sure everything looks good. Put another piece of tape up, pop that layer of tape while we go. Alright, we've got our holes drilled. We'll put a little bit of tape on this thing, but we're also going to bolt it down. So I'm just going to pull the stuff off on the edges and get it in place. And then we'll go from there, getting this thing set back into its home. I just work here, man. My first day. I'll leave the edges all the way off because we can't reach those, but this stuff will just kind of pull an edge. Hold it. I'll go all the way up with it. All right, this painstaking thing is done. Just gonna wipe all the smudges off from, you know, handling the material and things of that nature, and then we're gonna run it to Lucid Automotive Aesthetics, have them do the matte PPF on this portion so that it matches, and then we'll do PPF on the wing just to keep it from yellowing and protect it from the sun. Overall, fitment looks great, it fits good, it looks good. Do I want to do another one? No. Mostly just because, man, it's a big risk drilling these things and all of that nature, and it's stressful. But overall, looks great. Super happy with the product, Alpha N wing. Let us know what you guys think. Do you like the fitment? Love it? Hate it? Any of the above? Comment below, let us know. Thank you.